Okay, so now can you read the words? Mat. Good. Okay, so now you can move 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, good. Okay, next.
Cat on mat.
Good. Cat on mat. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Good job. Okay, next. Continue.
Bat on mat.
Okay, good. Bat on mat. Okay, good. Another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, next.
Bat and bat on mat.
Good. Cat and bat on mat. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Okay, one more. Okay, read this one.
Dot on mat.
Good. Tot on mat. Okay, so you have crossed the finish line. Okay.